What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got the NB out of the garage. We're about to take it over to my brother's, throw it up in the air, put on jack stands, and go ahead and fix this tractor exhaust so it quits sounding like a diesel. Yeah, so anyways, I'll see you when we get to my brother's. Alright guys, just got to my brother's, got this thing backed in, got it jacked up in 4-wheel drive mode, show them the 4-wheel drive, and so it's in 4-wheel drive mode. We're gonna put it up on jacks, and then he's gonna weld up that hole in the muffler, and hopefully it quits sounding like a diesel tractor. So see you then. All right, guys. A couple days later, we're going to lift this thing up and put it on jacks and weld this freaking hole in the exhaust. So I'm gonna air it up real quick and go from there. Keys in it. Oh man.
That thing works.
Yeah, I know.
Just came down.
Yeah. Let's see in my next video. I'm like, oh, it's got a power antenna, just like the Trans Am.
You're struggling back here with this thing. This thing's kind of rounded.
What are you doing? Unhooking the battery?
I'm attempting to.
Yeah, since we're gonna be welding on this, old master welder Butley said we need to unhook the battery, so that's what he's working on now. And it's fighting him, you know.
All the bolts around.
Yeah, channel locks. Probably 8. Is it smaller?
10's going on now.
Dang. You have another one or no? You want to put this thing on the wheels, on the bricks?
You're going to have to put it on blocks.
Or I can go through from the back under the rear end if you want to chalk the front.
Then, yeah, let's get it up high enough where we can get the blue, or let's put the one.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you come.
Is that what you're using? BFH? That's like a sheet metal hammer. I see the light. Let me show you this hole. Look at this hole. I asked the dude, does this have an exhaust leak? No. Does the airbags leak? No. Yeah, clearly. No exhaust leak, you're right. So Mr. Welder Butley here is going to, this actually won't be as bad as I thought it was going to be, bro. You're just going to have to, you got channel locks or vice grips You can honestly pinch this back. You're probably gonna put like 3-4 tacks on it and be done. For now. So dude, what is this, the cat or resonator?
No. I guess it's just a resonator.
We could take this off. But it's got a brand on this exhaust right here. ISR. It's that ISR brand. Throttle uses them too.
This is stainless.
The exhaust? Yeah. Can you weld that?
I don't know. I guess we're about to find out.
It almost looks like they did the...
It's TIG.
Yeah. But if you got that vice grips or whatever, I can pinch it back to where it's just a couple tacks. Honestly, pinching it is going to be a million times better than it was. He must have smoked this on something.
You want to have vice grips.
You have channels?
How big of one do you want? Medium size?
Just whatever. Shouldn't be too bad. Honestly, if I took this off, this thing wouldn't hit on nothing.
Okay, so we're good? You don't need to weld nothing?
Yeah, boys, JB weld it and we'll be done.
Still want to beat it flat because it's just going to hit the pan.
I don't think you're gonna be able to beat this. This shit's thick.
Give it a couple whacks. These are 3 pounds hammer.
I think it's just gonna make it worse.
I really don't know if I'm gonna be able to weld this. Stainless. I mean, it's stainless wire. I'm gonna give it a go. I don't give a shit.
I mean, what's the worst gonna happen? It's not gonna take.
Yeah.
I mean, dude, the gap is really small.
There's already a fucking hole, so what's the difference?
It's more of a crack now.
That's fine. Tack her up some.
I need JB weld stainless. All right, Master Welder Butley's gonna get under here and try and weld stainless with what, a MIG?
Flux core?
Flux core, so he don't think it's gonna work, but
I don't know.
he don't know if it's gonna work. Shoo! I mean welding boots though, bucko. Eventually I think we're gonna have to cut that off and just straight pipe it there and avoid all that, or turbo it.
That's going to be good.
Turbo?
Oh yeah.
No, I already talked about it in my video. What I'm gonna do is do my turbo halfway out the hood.
That shit looks thin.
Yeah, probably gonna turn it down or whatever you gotta do.
Down.
Where's this welder from? 1969?
Yep.
You got a Miller jacket, but a Lincoln welder. That'll still work.
It's free.
That'll still work though.
Well,
Wearing that jacket. Oh, maybe not cat back. Because I don't think it has a header though. I think it's a stock header.
it is.
Yeah, it's just a cat back.
When did I find it?
This freaking underglow is insanity. For whatever that is.
It's underglow wiring, yeah.
Holy shit.
It's gonna be a good ground. I'm just gonna try.
Or are you gonna put it on the muffler or just to the frame?
Just to the frame, I guess. I don't know. I don't fucking know. I don't weld exhaust. this weld.
Did it work?
Yeah, go turn up the voltage.
What you want it on? Is it the bottom or top one? I found it. It's at in between. It's at A.5. B. Alright, it's on like 2 wire speed. 3. Alright.
Geez, these are coming out like garbage.
Good? Enough?
Keyword is enough, I guess.
Think it's good?
I mean, the first 2 kind of fucked me.
Need the grinder since you're a grinder?
Yeah, turn the machine off and grab that grinder. That flat disc on. There's plenty of them over there.
You don't want the wire wheel?
No, I'm looking for it. So. There's a wrench over there.
I got it. Thought I did. Yeah.
Back off and try it again.
I mean, as long as it's sealed, I don't really care.
Just sucks the position I'm in. I can't move. I can't have 2 hands in again.
That's what makes you a welder, though. What? Let me see what it looks like before you touch it.
Looks like frickin' boogers.
That's what I told them it looked like.
Looks like frickin' boogers.
Dang, it might be it might be good though. It looks like it might be sealed up.
Oh, it's sealed up. I want a grinder on there though.
Hopefully it won't sound like a tractor, boys.
Yeah. Okay, it's probably coming towards you, so watch this.
Doesn't look too bad. Is it sealed?
Yeah, it should be.
I mean, it looks sealed. Looks good enough. I don't even think you need to do anything else.
What the fuck is up with this light? I mean, it's cracked back here. Where? There's a crack there. Gosh, this shit's blinding. Right here.
You want to try and tag it or no?
Yeah, I'll give it a couple tags.
Alright. Turn the machine on. Yeah, it would suck to put it on the ground and it still sound like a diesel Dodge Viper.
up high enough, but it's there.
Good.
Grind on it though. Give me some safety glasses. There's some up there.
Just squint.
No, fuck off. Give me some safety.
Put your safety squinters on. On your orange box or what?
Yeah, there should be up there by my Mountain Dew can. There's like a bag full of them. To your left. Left. You're right.
Oh, okay.
There's like a bag full of them. Grocery bag. Hanging on the left.
Oh, okay. Right in front of my face.
Oh, these are freaking cheaters. These are cheaters.
You said safety glasses. There's a bag of them.
Yeah, I don't need to read.
Oh, shit. Well, maybe you need to see a little better.
Gosh. Alright, good as used.
Alright, boys, we're going to get this thing on the ground and fire it up and see if Mr. Butley fixed it.
Just look at that. Air system's fine.
From what? Welding?
Huh?
From welding or what?
No, from unhooking the battery.
Why wouldn't? What, reprogram it?
Yeah, you might have to plug the damn slate.
I doubt it. Yeah.
I ground them all down.
Yeah, you're a grinder, not a welder. There it is. You can kind of see it. They're not bad.
Horrible, but.
No, I mean, I could have done a little better, but. I'll let it slide, you know, you're training and stuff. That was fun. I'll hook this battery back up. See if we blew anything up. You already put it on?
Yeah, you mean?
I didn't hear anything. Did you? Oh. Is this the garage?
The bottom.
Excuse me, sir? I think you need a button. Done back here?
Yeah, the battery's hooked up.
Got power. Sounds way better.
preset still?
Oh, I just manually do all this shit. Factory preset should be
80s. Like 79 to 80.
yeah. So it said preset. Now it's going back up.
Yeah, but what's your preset?
I think it's 78 or something. I can zoom in. Dude, it sounds a million times better.
This is going up to like 83.
Yeah. Rev it up. Sounds totally different, don't it? Now that all the air is coming out of that and not under there. Bro, yeah, it had a cutout for a second. Dude, it sounds nasty. Do it again. For real? The rate? Bro, I just had all that apart. Alright. Rev it up. Dang. Sorry, I had to get a thumbnail. But dude, it does sound fire. It sounds fire. I'm pumped, but guess what? The freaking radio black screen again. I'm gonna have to pull it all apart and probably pull that fuse again. Dude, why does it keep doing that? Is it a battery thing? I know it had power when I got it too, but nothing would work, and all I did was pull the fuse on the back of it, Brad.
Corroded?
No, the fuse looked fine. I wonder if there's a reset button.
It was on.
It was, yeah. Yeah, because I remember I turned it down when Kid Rock was playing.
No,
but
after we plugged in the battery.
Yeah, I know. When I pulled out, I had to turn it down. But, well, boys, this thing sounds a million times better. I don't hear no freaking tractor. It's just all coming out right here. Sounds nasty, dude. This is the first time of me really hearing it without the cutout that dude put in it. So, yeah, boys, no more tractor. We're back to just a gasoline Dodge Viper now. Still an ACR, still got the wing. So, yeah, probably, I don't know, boys. We're gonna be taking this thing to some shows. I got a bunch of surprises. All this stuff is going bye-bye. This going bye-bye. It's gonna be my own brand. So, stay tuned. My own brand's going hard, boys. We're going worldwide. Mark my word, watch. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh yeah, hit that like button and subscribe, fools. Welded up the hole in the exhaust, boys. Thing sounds gangster now that it doesn't have that cutout that dude put in it, you know, from smoking a leaf or a pothole in the ground. Dude, the hole in the resonator was like, boop. Fold it back, old Betsy Brad, put a couple tacks on her, and fish sounds nasty now. It's got a full ISR exhaust, by the way. Got Bully driving the car. Rev it past the cops, Brad. They like just turned their lights off, or they only had the back ones on?
Just the back ones on, I guess.
Anyways, boys, the exhaust sounds fire. Sounds way better. So, super stoked on that. Brad don't drive manual. Have you ever drove manual?
It's been a long time.
So he wants to hop in the 10 grand NB and try it out, and you know, my race clutch and stuff. So,
Yeah,
you know,
burn your clutch up.
burn my clutch up. You know, any clutch companies out there, go ahead and send me a spare, because you might eat mine up. I wonder if I could slide this thing, man.
lopsided.
Man, anything rips, bro. I gotta get out of here before the cops come.